Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Real Nice Guyana. So today we are on a special assignment. We had one of our friends ask us for Molly to come over to do a christening. We don't know christening of what. So we are heading over there now and see what this christening is. I think it has to do something with cooking, but we'll see. Let's go. So we're in Scarborough here. We're going along to Ajax and we'll show you a bit on the way and then the christening, of course, right? Yes guys, so we're getting on the 401 here now, going to Ajax for the christening. Getting off the highway. Alright guys, so we're christening this pot here right now, brand new pot. The onion in there. So by the way, this is the Garam and christen the pot. Our dear friend RT. And Vic over there. Vic is mechanic today, he's making vacuum. Alright guys, so we done take out the masala there, we added it up. So we're baking a sponge cake here today guys, so big treat. We're making main course here and we're making dessert too, sponge cake. For Vic is the man like the sponge cake. And the man got a very...
I love the cake from Real Nice Guyana.
Real Nice Guyana, right? Yeah man. You know that one lady commented on the channel and said she's been looking for a recipe for 8 years for her husband. She's not Guyanese, but she's been looking for 8 years and she found it on our channel after 8 years. Getting ready for the cake there. We got some roti going on here too, so my roti coming up. We done cream the butter and sugar here for the sponge cake. Alright guys, so we're beating up the egg here. Beating the egg, not beating up, beating the egg. With one of these immersion blenders here. Alright guys, so we're taking a little thing here. What we got here? Well, that'll be us to them. And we got me a little thing here. Cheers, boy. Cake coming up. Alright guys, so look like our duck is done.
You wanna go down a little bit?
Yeah, a little bit more dry down. And that's ready. Rice is done. Only the roti gotta make. And our cake is ready to go in the oven. So guys, this is available from us for sale as well. Sponge cake, black cake, fruit cake. And we have some dal here too. There you go. Have the duck. We're gonna put some scallions there. And this is down. Looking good, eh? And this is this scallion here come from our tea garden. So guys, you see we're baking in this mini oven here. We are baking in this mini oven. You don't this thing bakes very well. I'll put a link below the video where you can get us to buy. Na bani hane. The first roti and a tower there. You see? When you got dal, rice and duck curry, watch what has happened. What should this man do here? This man didn't drink nothing yet. What about if we drink? Tarwai moves, yes, yes.
Chinese thing. This one is just like very coarse, I guess. Hold it.
Dal and roti and duck curry, boy. And sponge cake. Oh. This is a celebration. Alright guys, so it's time for review from our host.
Real nice.
Real
Like a real nice Guyana.
Done now. There you go. Number one review. We waited for the other review. And of the karahi. Oh, he knocking somebody cut her. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
The wait didn't go in vain.
Take it back right back to New Road. You smile it,
The
right?
road for the hoop. Right by Regal.
Yeah. Look at that roti. Roti and the duck. Okay, let me dig into a piece of this cake. The dessert time already. The duck is already disappeared. And here, our friends say, realize Guyana cake is the best. There you go. Look at that. Look at how fluffy and soft that is. Look at the goodness there, guys. Wow. Delish. Okay, so that's it now for this video. Thank you for spending a little time with us. I know it's not a long video, but just wanted to share you guys the it's hot. The christening of the pot with duck curry. That was the most appropriate curry to christen the pot with.